Okay, today I'm going to show you the 5 chime horns I've got, 5 bells. I built these out of the new design. Got them all mounted up on the golf cart finally. Give you a little walk around, show you what they look like. These are the ones I put together with a steel pipe. These have the 3/8 inch steel pipes going up into the bottom of the horn body. Everything else is pretty much the same. My 5-gallon tanks and the air lines and everything else are all same type of setup. So we'll set up back here, give a blast on them.